Alright, I'm going to color code this one again. So anytime I see f of x, I'm going to put this guy. And anytime I see g of x, I'm going to put this guy. So if we rewrite this, f over g of x, the definition of this guy actually is the same thing as f of x over g of x. Pretty much what it's saying is we're going to take the function of f and divide it by the function of g. So if I set that equal, we know that f of x is 4x cubed minus 8x squared plus 12x is all divided by 4x. Now, if you're having a hard time with the first couple problems in this, I didn't make a video of it because I'm going to make this one. This is how you would do something with just a monomial on the bottom. If you have a monomial on the bottom, it's actually very, very simple, and it's a lot easier than most of you think. Because a lot of people want to make it harder than it really is. But instead of doing the whole divide by thing, all you have to do is kind of distribute. Now, the distributing does not work. This does not work with more than a monomial. It's only a monomial that works, only one term on the bottom. So what I can do is actually give each one of these guys this 4x. So I can take 4x cubed and divide it by 4x. I can take this 8x squared and divide it by 4x. And I can take this 12x and also divide it by 4x. The reason I can do that is because if I put these back together, because they all have the same denominator, it's going to be 4x cubed minus 8x squared plus 12x all over 4x, which is this guy up there. We're just kind of splitting it off instead of putting it back together. So this, one of these x's goes away with one of these x's. This 4 goes away with this 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. One of these x's goes away with one of these x's. This x goes away with this x. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. So the answer is going to be x squared minus 2x plus 3. And that is A. And it's only A. So now let's do B. So B is going to be, well, f over g of 2. Well, we already know what f over g of x is. It's right here. So I'm going to find f over g of 2. So once again, I'm going to take this guy and pull off the x, pull out the x. And I'm going to replace it with 2, which gives me 2 squared, which is 4, minus 4, plus 3, which ends up being 3. So f of g of 2 is 3.